All right, in this video, I want to go over one of the homework problems on the Mayan calendars and Tzolk'in and Haab. I'm going to look at question number 10. So we want to know on 10, what is the Tzolk'in and the Haab date for a day that is 18,980 days after the creation date. And up here, we're given the creation date is 4 Ahau in Tzolk'in and 8 Kumku in Haab. Okay, so I'm going to go to my scratch paper. All right, so I've got the creation dates written down, and we're going to go 18,980 days from this creation date. We want to know what the new date's going to be. So we want to figure this out. We're looking at both calendars. We want the Tzolk'in and the Haab date. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to look at the Tzolk'in day name. So the Tzolk'in date, it kind of has a two-step process. I want to figure out the new day name. So I need to take 18,980. And remember, how many day names are there on the Tzolk'in calendar? There are 20. We got 20 name days, so we need to divide this by 20. So I've got 18,980 divided by 20, and I get 949. And if you notice right here, there's absolutely no decimal, so that actually means there's no remainder. The remainder equals 0. So what does that mean? The new day name is actually the same Ahau. If we take the Tzolk'in number, I want to figure out what's the new Tzolk'in number. I'm going to take that 18,980, divide that by, I want to know how many numbers there are, 13 numbers in the Tzolk'in calendar. So we're going to divide this by 13. So I'm going to take 18,980, divide it by 13, and we get, look at that, another whole number, 1460. Again, we have a remainder of 0, so the number does not change. So it is 4 Ahau. So in other words, if we take this 18,980 days, that would be 947 cycles through all the different names, repeated back at Ahau, and it'd be 1,460 cycles through all the numbers. Okay, so then now let's look at Haab. Date. We start with just one division, the Haab calendar, 18,980. We're going to divide that whole thing. We're going to start that by dividing by 365, since there's 365 in the Haab calendar day. So if I go on my calculator, throw in 18,980 divided by 360, I get 52, and look at that, no decimal. That means no remainder. 52, I'm going to say 52 years, remainder equals 0. So what does that mean? We cycled through completely, 0 remainder, 52 years, to be at 8 Kumku. So this is kind of the nicest scenario. If you get a remainder of 0, you don't have to change the date at all. And in fact, this was part of their looking towards the future. The 18,980 days was a very special day in the Mayan creation and in the Mayan religion and mythology. If you want to learn more about this, I suggest you finish watching Dan Mutton's lecture about the long count calendar. I think there's some really cool stuff in there. We won't be covering it in our class just due to time constraints, but there's some really cool stuff in the Mayan history and the Mayan culture that Dan Mutton talks about in the lecture you guys watched last week. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to go over the last question on this assignment, number 11.